Look what we have here. This is probably one of the best unknown gadget you could put in your go-to bag. What it is 1/4-inch double-sided Velcro type. You find it at Lowe's or Home Depot because it's for plant tie-ups. It has a soft side and a rough side. It sticks to itself. Look at that. So you might say, well, what can I do with that? Well, little pieces. You can tie up cords. See that? And it's easy to undo. Now, if you want to keep the soft side out so it doesn't get tangled in everything else, that's how you work it. You could also use it the other way. However, million uses. It's fairly strong. I've used it to tie up my rolled up blanket and other things in my bug out bag. And again, you can find this. I don't have the package, but it's 1/4-inch plant tie-ups at Home Depot or at Lowe's, not at Walmart. There you go. This is extremely useful.